welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Yes, okay. Today I'm going to be reviewing this new wig that just came out by Janet Collection. Natural Me Blowout Lace Wig HD. Okay. And the name of the wig is TAMILA. Alright. And the color I got is a DRFF 1B/SNKISSBRN. That's a lot. So I'll here we go. Alright. So let's jump right into this review. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Okay, y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, I am going to unbox the wig so we can see what she is working with. Okay. Has a very beautiful color. Here she go. All right. All right, the cap construction. Let me come on in on y'all. All right. It has two combs in the front. Okay. It has this lace part right there. It has a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. All right. The hair is a kinky yaki texture and it is very, very full. Okay. Very full. All right. Let's get this baby on and see what she is working with. All right. I'll be back. Okay, I got her on and she is gorgeous, honey. All right. Simply beautiful. Now, I haven't trimmed the lace or anything. Here's the parting. Might have to go in on it and tweeze it a bit, but I'm not going to cut the lace on this unit. Let me scoot back some. Not yet. Okay. I absolutely love it. It is such a gorgeous color. I mean, seriously. Do y'all see how beautiful? Yes. Very, very beautiful. And that's all the hair to the front. Okay. It do shed, because as I'm running my fingers, I am getting a few strands. Okay. So here is the hair to the side. Okay. The other side. And the back. Yes, she is very, very full and simply gorgeous. Okay? You looking for some glam hair? This is it. Move this bag out the way. Okay. It's pretty long as well. Yes. So, I don't know what else more I can say about this, but to just let y'all know, I definitely recommend it. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, it's a very gorgeous unit, okay? So, I don't know. Actually, I was thinking about it. It's a wig out called, I think it's Angel Face. I don't know if this is the exact same wigs. It's in another brand I can't say because I did not get the angel face wig as of yet. But I don't know if it is. It probably is because it looks similar to that unit. So I am feeling it. I am loving the color and all that stuff. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. Thank you so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. Be sure to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel. And you haven't subscribed, please just go ahead and do it. Push that subscribe button. I think I even got it right on the screen where you see. Push it. You will not regret it. Thank you so much. I love you all. Have a blessed day. I'll see you princesses in the next video. Bye-bye.